Alright, it's a very windy April 29th, and this is the current state of the stream and pond. As you'll see here, we've got two different sections, the painted with acrylic paint and the non-painted, and a portion of these rocks are only in the first stage, which is basically just the rough cement. We haven't put on the smooth cement that will eventually texture. This is just a rough object. You can see that this is the largest rock or boulder I've built so far. Close up on it here. And I've taken a natural rock here. Stream. Again, as you'll notice here, it's all wire mesh and the cement on top of it. What I'm going to have here is we're going to have dirt actually come up on top of it. So we'll have a natural shore or bank, if you will. Here's some of the newly cemented materials. You can see the process going on here. If you look over these hills, these small hills right now, we're going to plant plants in the center. These wires here will be cut, and you know, we'll be able to put bamboo in there. We'll continue shredded paper and cement bags to keep the form as much as possible. Let's bring on back here. Use this existing first boulder. It's going to be smoothed out. Like I said, this is just a very, very rough out of the process. You'll notice that we've got this I've got a drop off here. Okay. What happens is the actual water level of the pond will come up to here. In order to create a flow, if you've ever been to, say, a Wet n Wild or anything like that, what happens is in these lazy rivers, they'll have drop-off points, and this creates the water motion. Now we're going to go over here and take another look at the shore and how it's composed. If you look carefully here, the shore is actually, the cemented shore here is actually at an angle going down. The reason for that is that I don't want a lot of water seeping under the cement and somehow deforming what I've created here. So we're going to have earth come up to meet this edge. This is going to be an earthen edge, and that's why we have this dip here. So this cements us in firmly. Now some may be asking, what are you going to do about water drainage over here, which is going to be a type of patio with maybe pulverized granite in it? Well, if you look really close down here, I've got a PVC pipe coming out. Okay, I'm going to cut these wires. We're going to camouflage this with cement, fill in this gap with more liquid cement. So we're going to be able to have that drainage coming through here. Remember, most of this is actually going to be covered by earth. It won't even be seen. And back, here's another angle. You can see how this is going to go. That ridge there is going to be filled in with spreading bamboo. Spreading bamboo. And we're going to go back to the excavated pond area. You know, I know it's been taking quite a long time to get this finished, but it's been almost a literal monsoon here in Texas for the past, 4 months. But it should be finished quick. I have a goal of sometime in May to get this completed, and we're well along the track. Like I said, the cement on this is extremely cheap. We're looking at $3 a bag. Put in 5 bags today, and you can see what I did with darkened cement there. That's it. Until next time. Thanks.